Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Telegram stickers to WhatsApp. So to get started, open Telegram app. Once you're on the app, click on the three dots and go to settings. In the setting option, go on the chat settings and then go to stickers and emoji options. Here you can see all the emojis that are available in your Telegram. Select any emoji or stickers, click on the three dots and copy link it. Now go to the Play Store and install unofficial Telegram stickers. Once it's installed, open it and click the enter set name. Here paste the link that you just copied and click on OK. Now click on the download option. It will take some time to get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, here you can see the add option. Now it is showing that adding bunny to WhatsApp. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check. Here I have come to the sticker part and you can see all the emoji I have just added from Telegram. So this is how easily you can add stickers to WhatsApp from Telegram. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.